Welcome back to our channel. Get ready, because today we're not just talking tech, we're experiencing it. We're diving deep into the revolutionary DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and the stunning Insta360 X5. These gadgets aren't just new, they're about to set new standards in the world of portable filmmaking. So are you ready to be amazed? Let's get started. Kicking things off with the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, it's more than just an upgrade. It's a complete overhaul. Imagine capturing the world in 4K at a staggering 240 frames per second. Yes, you heard right. Double the frame rate, double the drama. From thrilling skateboarding jumps to serene sunsets, everything looks better in slow-mo. Zooming into the specs, the Osmo Pocket 4 packs a powerful punch with its 1-inch sensor and a 20mm f2.0 lens. Expect nothing less than crystal-clear images, even in the dimmest lights. Night owls? This one's for you. Check this out. A live demo right on your screen. Notice the sleek design, just 190 grams, featuring a rotating 2.5-inch touchscreen that shines bright, even under the blazing sun. Go ahead, touch your screen, feel the future at your fingertips. And the best part? You're always ready to shoot with its lightning-fast charging that powers up your camera in just 25 minutes. Quicker than a pizza delivery. Now let's switch gears to the Insta360 X5. Building from the renowned X4, the X5 isn't just stepping up. It's leaping bounds into new territories with a 1-inch sensor that promises the clearest, most vivid 360-degree captures yet. And for the adventurers and city explorers among us, imagine this: your travels, your moments, captured with studio-quality sound thanks to the X5's AI-driven audio enhancements. It's like bringing your own cinematographer and sound engineer everywhere you go. Dive deeper with us into the tech that makes these gadgets a filmmaker's dream. From gimbal stabilization that predicts your moves to AI that understands your needs, this is smart technology, truly defined. And speaking of smart, let's talk about how AI is changing the game. Real-time editing suggestions, voice control beyond your smartphone, and features we've only begun to dream about. Welcome to the future of personal filmmaking. Imagine capturing your child's first steps, a night out with friends, or the hustle of a busy street, all with cinematic flair and impeccable detail. Whatever your passion, these cameras transform ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. Now we're curious, what would you capture with the Osmo Pocket 4 or Insta360 X5? Shoot your ideas in the comments. Thrilled? So are we. The era of next-level compact cameras is here, and it's bright with possibilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Join us in this exciting journey. Share your thoughts, join the conversation, and let's make magic together. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is in your hands and it looks incredible. Catch you in the next video where we'll explore more tech wonders. Until then, keep filming, keep exploring.